start the recording as well, okay? So again, 1 star for every assignment. And if you make, for example, you make 2 assignments, so teacher is gonna give you 2 stars. And if you make an assignment that's unique and that's really nice, teacher will give you another star as well. Okay? Thank you, Ate Dharma and Ate Zaya. Both of you has 1 star already. Okay, next we have Ate Jelay. Jelay A. Gacho. Is Ate Jelay here? Ate Jelay. Andito ba si Ate Jelay?
My camera is that kind of looking. It's showing the things in front of me.
Okay, a teacher will just present your assignment na lang, Ate Jelay, and then you tell us what your assignment is all about, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, can you see your assignment now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, can you tell us what that is?
I drew a house with a tree and a dog house, and it has an arch, and the roof is also kind of an arch, and I just only drew 2 windows, and the door is also an arch.
Okay, very good, Ate Jelay. So for that, you also get 1 star. Okay, so next we have Ate Sofia Manalo. Okay, Ate Sofia. Ay, ito ata yung ano ni Ate Sofia. Okay, Ate Sofia. Is Ate Sofia Manalo here? Okay, parang wala si Ate Sofia ata. So, because Ate Sofia has an assignment, walang mic si Ate Sofia. Okay, we'll just play your, your video, okay?
Hi, I made this arch house. It has a chimney and it has some mountains behind it. I added a door and I added windows. The house is an igloo house and the lines that I used were vertical, horizontal, wavy, and curved.
Okay, very good, Ate. Okay, for that, you also get 1 star. Okay, next we have from Ate Urza.
It was a hospital. There's some door and windows. So many of them.
Okay, very good, Ate Urza. There's so many windows in the hospital. How many floors does your hospital have?
Maybe 37 floors.
Okay, well that's a lot of floors. Okay, thank you, Ate. Okay, you also have 1 star for that. Okay, next we have, whose work is this? From Ate Nika? Ate Tali?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, is that your assignment or no?
Yes, po.
Okay, so where are the doors in there?
It is a farm. It's the barn.
Oh, it's a barn. Okay, wow, very good. Okay. So how about the windows and door? Where's the door and window in that?
There are 2 doors and 4 windows.
Where is it? It's inside. Show it. Ito yun pala. Okay. Show it where it is. Show where it is.
So, these are the 4 windows. This one, this one, this one, and this one.
Okay, very
Two
good.
doors
What else?
and here.
Okay, wow, very good, Ate Tali.
And I used some shading for this tree.
Okay, wow, very good. Okay, very good. You also get 1 star for that. Okay? Okay, next we have from Kuya. Okay? Okay, whose assignment is this?
Me.
Okay, what's your name, Kuya? Kuya Zach. Okay, where are the windows and the doors and the arches in that, Kuya Zach?
That's the 2 windows. There is a door. I'm not sure if you can see it. That's a door. And then there's an arc there.
Okay, very good, Kuya Zach. Okay, you
And
have the
teacher?
windows. Yes, Kuya?
Before I made this, I had like another one.
Okay. Wow, so you have 2 assignments. Did you send it to the group chat? Hindi
Hindi.
ata.
Yes, pero this is...
Wow, what's that? That has an arch. Parang monument ata yan.
Yes.
Okay, very good, Kuya Zach. Okay, for that, so teacher's gonna give Kuya Zach 2 stars. Okay, very good, Kuya Zach.
Thank you.
Okay, next we have, okay, so parang si Kuya Zach ata last nag-send ng assignment. Okay, very good, Kuya Zach. Okay, how about the other? How about Ate Sam? Ate Sam, can you send that to the group chat?
I did it a bit late, so I wasn't able to.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Pakita mo na lang sa amin and then send mo na lang later, okay?
Okay. Thank you po.
Okay, so what did you do, Ate Sam?
So, here's the door. I put a window right here, and I just put a little faucet here that's kind of leaking a bit.
Okay, thank you, Ate Sam. Very good. So you also colored it. Okay, very good, Ate Sam. Okay, so sino pa bang nag-color sa ating parang si Ate Sam lang ata ang nag-color. Okay, so for that, teacher is also gonna give Ate Sam 2 stars. Okay, what about Ate Ariel? Where's your assignment, Ate Ariel?
I don't really have one because I don't remember if we had one of houses.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, so next time na lang magawa ng assignment para teacher can also give you a star, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Ate Ariel. Okay, so let us now go to our class, okay? So for lesson 3, we will be we're having shading variations, okay? So what are the different shading techniques you've learned in our fundamentals class? Diba we have 4? What are those 4 shading techniques? Yes, Ate Zaya? Oh, Ate Zyle pala. Magkaiba pala. Ate Zyle Jean Alvarez. What's your name? Hindi ka marinig ni teacher. There's no voice. Zyle Jean Alvarez. Walang voice na naririnig si teacher. Okay, so teacher's gonna call another one. What about Ate Dharma? What are the 4 shading techniques that are discussed in the fundamentals?
Wait, tinawag ko. Parang hindi nag-art class. Wait. I don't remember it that much. Cross-hatching. And I think there was something like etching. I think.
Are you sure?
No. And what else?
Okay, so
I
magdodraw
kind
na
of
lang
forgot.
Okay, magdodraw na lang si teacher ng example dito, and then you identify what shading technique this is, okay? Okay, so gagawa si teacher ng square, and then you identify the shading technique. So what shading technique is this? What shading technique is that? Hala, you forgot already!
Cross
Are you sure this is cross-hatching?
Oh, wait.
That's hatching.
That's hatching. Very good. Okay, this one is hatching. Okay, and the next one. Okay, ito naman. Let's start with the hatching. And then, let's add this. What's this called?
Cross-hatching.
Okay, so this is cross-hatching. Very good. Okay, huwag niyo kalimutan na. Get your sketchbooks and then put it in there so you will not forget. Okay, another one. Circle naman. What about this one? What kind of shading is this?
Stippling.
Okay, this is stippling. Very good. Stippling or pointillism. Okay. And then, the other one, yung maggagawa tayo ng shade. Tapos, isusmudge natin. Blending. Very good. Okay, very good. Okay, so those are the 4 sketches. Okay, 4 shading techniques. Okay, get your notebooks and your sketchbooks and then you write it muna, okay? Para hindi kayo makalimot. Ako, sumbong ko kayo kay Teacher Ellie, Teacher Zay, at saka Teacher Jit. Nakalimutan nyo na yan. Okay, teacher's gonna give you 3 minutes to copy this one muna, okay?
Teacher,
Yes, Kuya Zach?
I didn't know that much here kasi absent ako noon dito.
Oh, absent ka pala nun. It's okay. So just write this down, okay? So that you will not forget it.
Done na po, Chair.
Okay, very good. So 2 more minutes for your other classmate, okay?
Done
Okay,
na
done
po,
na din si
Teacher.
Ate Erza. Okay, what about, okay, your other classmates are still writing. Okay, 1 more minute. Okay. So, teacher will now go to the next page. Okay? So, today, we're gonna explore the other shading variations. So, why is it important to identify texture before drawing an object? Yes, Ate Ariel? Ate Ariel, what is it? Open your microphone, Ate Ariel.
I wasn't able to finish the last one, the bleeding.
Okay, the last one is blending. Okay, di ba teacher asked you to draw that last time?
Excuse me po,
Yes, Ate Tali?
I haven't do stippling or blending.
Ano, ate?
I didn't do stippling or blending yet. I'm done.
Okay, so binalik ni teacher, so do it muna, okay? Okay, yes, Kuya Zach?
Teacher, sa question po. Alam ko.
Okay, wait lang. Pagbalik na lang natin later on, Kuya, okay? Okay. Okay, Ate Tali and Ate Ariel. Okay, 3 more minutes, okay? Yes, Ate Ariel?
I'm done.
Okay, very good. So, si Ate Tali na lang hintayin natin. Ate Tali, you tell us once you're done, okay?
Excuse me po, I'm done.
Okay. Okay, so let's now continue our lesson, okay? Okay, so Kuya Zach, why is it important to identify texture before drawing an object?
So that if we know the texture, we can draw it on the object so it looks better.
Okay, very good. So if we know the texture, we will identify what are the shading techniques we're gonna use. And also, we can identify how to make it better. Okay, very good, Kuya. Okay, so for example, we have here wood. So, to sketch wood, we're gonna start by drawing long straight lines crossed together to make the wood grain. And then we're gonna add some shorter lines across them to create the pattern of wood. And then we're gonna use a pencil or brown crayon and color it lightly, leaving some spaces blank to show the lighter parts of the wood. Okay, example natin, wood natin dito. Okay, gawa tayo ng parang square muna. Texture ng wood is, meron yung mga patterns. Okay, may mga ganyang patterns.
Squiggly.
Yeah, meron siyang squiggly lines. Okay, yung parang
Ano
nakakapuso
ang
ng
Tagalog sa
kanila. Meron ding iba parang long lines lang, and then may short lines na kasama sa in-between. Okay? So, different types of woods, different din yung pagkaka-shade nila. Okay? So, here are example natin sa wood. Okay? Can you see it? Okay. Hindi pa muna natin yung discussion lang muna. Okay? Yes, Ate Sam?
Can I be the can we make like different kinds of wood?
Yeah, we can make different types of wood. But that's not yet our activity, okay? Okay, once you're done talking, can you please turn off your microphone so that we can avoid echoes of voice at the tally?
Yes.
Can you please turn off your microphone para hindi Okay, very good. Okay, so next we have metal. So to draw metal first, so we're gonna be sketching the outline. So for this example, outline ng kettle. And then we're gonna add shiny lines. So yung shiny lines, this is an example. Shiny lines, they are also, what are these called as well?
Highlight.
Highlights, very good. Okay, so para sa mga reflections on each surface. So we can use crayon or we can erase it. Okay? Para magmukha siyang highlight. Okay, this is an example of a kettle and this one is a metal na lutuanan ng rice. Okay, next naman is glass.
Glass.
So to sketch glass, yung gagamitin natin dito is pagka-sketch natin is blending.
Blending.
So, blending para maging smooth. Okay? Yes, Ate Ariel, do you have a question? Yes, we're gonna draw something later today, okay?
Just gonna look at those. We just gonna look at those and draw something else later.
Okay, mag-discuss muna si teacher bago natin i-draw, okay? Okay, very good. Okay, sa glass naman, so start natin by drawing the shape. So, drawing the shape of the glass and then we're gonna add straight lines to show its transparency. So, hindi na natin ipo-color, natin siya, i-shape. Okay, next we have fabrics. So, to show the fabrics, to draw the fabrics, we're gonna outline the shape. So, for example, so, parang damit siya. So, sa damit, meron ng mga parang curve. Okay? And then, we're gonna add some cross-hatching to it. Okay? Cross-hatching just like this one, oh. Can you see it? So, gagawa natin yan siya ng cross-hatching sa mga tupi-tupi niya. And pagkatapos natin ng cross-hatching, pwede din naman natin i-smudge. So, we're gonna smudge it to make it smoother as well. Okay? So, next we have here. We have the different textures. Okay, here we have, what's this?
Bricks.
Bricks. This one?
Stones. Marble. Metal. Wood. Tree bark. Glass. Fabric.
Okay, very good. So, here are some different types of shading techniques that we have. Okay, so before we do our activity, we're gonna have a break time muna. So, we'll continue. Instead of 10 minutes, teacher's gonna give you 15 minutes for break time, okay? Okay, so we will continue by 5 p.m., okay? Wow, very good at the sound. That's a nice drawing.
It was a quick one.
Okay, very good. You can also send that to our group chat, okay? That's a really cute one. Very good.
Teacher, anong oras babalik?
5 p.m.
5 o'clock?
Yes, 5 o'clock.
Excuse me po?
Yes, Ate Tali.
You know, I just got enrolled today to a big school.
Wow, where school did you get enrolled?
I forgot the name, or I don't know the name.
Teacher,
But I know I'm going to grade 1.
Wow, very
teacher,
good. Yes, Kuya Zach?
I made it so now it's squish.
Okay, very good.
Teacher,
Yes, ate?
my mom only sent me one link.
What?
My mom only sent me one link.
1 week of what, ate?
My mom only sent me one link of the group.
Oh, okay. We will be using one link only.
Okay, teacher.
Yes, ate Sam? Wow, very good, ate. That's a really nice drawing. Ate, your microphone is off.
I put like little cat ears and claws to make it look more like a cat.
Okay, wow, that looks good. Very good.
So, on Excuse me po.
Yes, ate?
What is it?
I'm done now with my food po.
Okay. You can start, pwede mo na yung iligpit and then we'll just wait 4 minutes for the others, okay? They can still have their snacks, okay?
Yes po.
Okay, very good.
Okay, it's now 5 p.m. So let's now begin with our class. Okay? So kindly tidy up your space. So ligpit mo na yung ano nyo, yung mga things nyo, yung snacks nyo, yung water, and we'll now proceed to our lesson. Okay, so for our activity, we will be drawing different textures. So one paper for each subject. So one paper daw for each subject. Okay, so let's start with the wood. Okay, so hindi na lang one paper, parang ano na lang. One paper, let's fold it or let's make 4 rectangles or squares in there. Okay, pero dito sa kettle nyo, okay, iba din yan, and then glass that. Okay. Okay, half-half na lang ng paper kaya.
Cha?
Yes, ate?
So did you say we have to cut?
No, you don't have to cut. You just have to fold it, okay?
Fold it? Okay.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good, Ate Zyle.
Is it okay for the wood to look like this? I don't really know how to draw it.
Okay, hindi pa tayo. Teacher will tell you how to draw it. Just make
Teacher.
4 squares muna, okay?
Teacher, can
Okay.
we like that? My sketchbook doesn't fold.
Oh, it's okay. You can just make 4 squares or rectangles in there, okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Okay. So, for your first square, okay, wag muna sabay tayo mag-start with teacher, okay? So, for the first square, this is for the wood. Okay? Lagay tayo dyan. So, you write in there sa baba, wood. Okay? Okay, and then you follow along teacher, okay? Okay, kita nyo tong parang meron siyang circle dyan. So, gawa din tayo ng circle here. So, let's make a bit of a circle there. Okay? So, gawa din tayo ng isa pa dito. And ng isa pa dito. Okay, are you following teacher?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Ate Sophia, are you drawing now, Ate Sophia? Okay, very good. Put your camera down lang. Put your camera down para makapag-concentrate ka. Okay, very good. Okay, after you've done that, okay, we're gonna follow it. It's like a contour shading, okay? So, we're gonna put one line here. We're gonna avoid that circle. And we're gonna continue the line. Okay? Just like that. Okay? And then we'll add some short strokes of it. Okay? Something like that.
Like this?
Yes, kuya. And then you add the more strokes, yung inad ni teacher. Okay, and then after that, so we're just gonna follow it, okay? We're gonna follow it according to its curve. So just like this one, we're just gonna follow it according to the curve of the wood. Okay, something like that. Okay, and then we can add more of here. Okay, so now that looks like a wood.
There's so many lines, I can't focus on any line because there's so many.
Teacher,
Okay.
it's ganito kasi I think I accidentally make my shape a rectangle.
It's okay. Just add them, okay? Okay, and then the strokes should be not the same. So, some of the strokes should be this wide, and some of the strokes should be this big. Okay?
I'm done with the wood.
Okay, can I take a look at it, Ate Sam?
Okay. Yes. So heavy.
Okay, wow, very good. Okay, now you add more lines in there, okay? In between those, you add some more, okay?
Like thinner lines?
Yeah, like thinner lines.
I'm not applying too much pressure on it.
Yes, ate.
Like this. Ooh, it looks good like this now. It looks like egg, scrambled egg. It looks like scrambled egg.
It's okay, it's okay. So you just add some smaller lines as well, okay? So that
No,
it will
like
look like wood.
naturally, it looks like scrambled egg.
Okay.
Okay. Spaghetti lines, not to add too much pressure. And then spaghetti lines here, spaghetti lines there. And then
Teacher, I made mine so that it looks like it's like a street that's like crowded with cars.
Okay, okay. That's great, Kuya Zach. It really looks like a wood. Okay? So is everybody done with the first activity?
Yes.
Okay, not yet pa daw. Hindi pa done si Ate Sam. Okay, very good, Ate Zylgene.
just the wood.
Okay, not yet pa daw. Hindi pa sila tapos lahat.
Teacher, I'm done with my wood.
Okay, so if you're done, we'll just wait for your classmates 2 more minutes, okay?
Okay.
Again, what do we do again if natapos na mag-talk kay teacher?
Turn off the mic.
Okay, turn off the mic and then don't turn off your cameras. You can turn on your camera so teacher can see you if you're drawing or if you're done already, okay? Just turn off your microphone so we can avoid echoing. If you want to answer, ano gagawin if mag-want mag-answer? Mag-click ng raise hand button, okay?
Okay po.
Is this po?
Yes, Ate Tali.
I think I'm done. Can you please check?
Okay, let me see. Okay, wow, very good. Okay, very good, Ate Tali. Okay, 1 more minute. Ate Ariel, are you done?
Yes.
Can I see it?
I did my best.
Okay, let me see. Wow, very good. Very good. It looks good. It looks good, Ate. Wow, very good, Ate Zia. Very good, Ate Erza. Okay, now write the word wood in there, okay?
Teacher, I can only put it on the side.
It's okay, it's okay. Okay, so let's now take a picture. Okay, patingin na si teacher ng mga outputs nyo, everybody. Okay, Ate Zyle Jean. Okay, Louie Boy. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, very good. Okay, so later on, after our activity, so you also send your outputs in our group chat, okay? Okay, so for our next texture, we will be making a metal.
Metal.
Yes, we will be making a metal.
I think you need to use blending.
Yeah, we're gonna be using blending, but first, we're gonna make the kettle first, okay? So, dapat sa mas malaki-malaking space yan, okay? So, first, the kettle has...
Teacher, can I put it on the left side?
Yes, you can. Okay, so the kettle should be first. Okay, gawa tayo ng oblong here. Okay? On top of the oblong, there's another curved line. And then we're gonna make parang a square muna siya. Guidelines natin yung square muna. Okay? And then, aada na lang natin siya ng another curved line here. Okay? And we'll also add the nozzle.
Teacher.
Okay, yes, what is it? Okay, teacher's gonna try to open her other camera, okay? What is it, Ate Tali?
Can I
Ate
make my square, please? I haven't made my
What?
square po. I haven't made my square for the kettle po.
Okay, okay, you can make the square for your kettle, sure.
Thank you po.
Okay, very good. Okay, magawa muna tayo ng ano natin ng kettle. Wait lang. Magawa muna si teacher ng another paper. Okay, here, teacher have a paper here pala. Okay, just wait a minute, ha? Wait a minute. Okay, just wait a minute, Ate Sam. Okay, wait a minute lang. Kasi na magsiset up pa si teacher ng kanyang ano. Okay, just a minute. Okay, can you see teacher's drawing now? Okay, teacher's notebook. Nagpin na si teacher ng notebook niya. Okay, very good. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna be drawing is, so draw muna natin, ay wait lang. Okay, ano muna ni teacher talaga itong kanyang ano, a tripod, yung stand ni teacher.
Teacher, I can't see the screen of yours.
Okay, wait lang kuya ha.
Ayun si Daddy. Teacher, I'm smudging for the shadow.
Okay, wait lang. Everybody, okay, if you can't see teacher, kindly pin the other account of teacher.
Pin.
Okay, yung Angel Maritanyo.
But sir, naka-close ang camera.
Okay, the other one. Okay, present ulit ni teacher. Wait lang. Just a minute.
Wait.
Okay, what about now? Can you see it now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good.
Teacher, pa-present po.
No, kuya, yung merong notebook si teacher na nag-show at the moment.
But sa screen ko, nakikita ko lang letter A.
Letter A. The other A, yung my notebook.
Ay, wait, I can't.
Ito, yung naka-like sign, ang camera. Hanapin mo muna.
Uy, oopsie. Wait lang po. Teacher, yung naka-mute?
Oo, yung naka-mute.
Okay. Yes, nakita ko na.
Okay, very good. Okay. So, we will be making it, wait lang. Okay, so let's make this one. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make the lid. Okay, the lid is in an oval shape. Okay, so parang ganyan siya na shape. And then we're also gonna add another oval here sa top.
Like a Christmas light shape.
Yeah, Christmas light shape. And then for the kettle, we're gonna add parang triangle, okay? Add some small lines.
Teacher, like this?
Okay, yes, kuya, just like that. But when we're sketching, lightly lang muna dapat pagka, natin, okay? Since we are still sketching. Okay? And then, we're gonna add the nozzle. Okay, and then, we're also gonna add here the handle of, it's like a letter C. Okay, the handle of the kettle. Okay.
It's like a heart.
Yeah, it's like a heart and like a letter C. Okay, after that, we're gonna erase it. Kasi may lampas-lampas pa man tayo sa sketch, right?
Yes.
So, erase muna natin yan. And then, we're gonna trace yung guideline, yung final lines natin, okay? Trace natin. Ito yung parang shape ng Christmas tree. And then, the nozzle. And here we have yung takip ng kettle.
The body.
Yeah, and then after that, unahin muna natin yung handle, okay? There's a bit of a circle.
Erase this one. Teacher, like this po.
Let me see. Yes, just like that, kuya. Very good. You're already done with the, with the cast shadow sa baba.
I feel like I made the handle look like an ear.
Yeah, it's okay. The handle really looks a bit like that.
I fix it.
Okay.
Yes.
So now we have our kettle.
Yes.
right?
Oh.
Okay, so after that, we're now gonna shade it using blending. Okay, so in blending, we're not gonna hold it like this na pa straight. We're gonna hold it paslant.
Teacher, like this, ganto, like,
Yes, kuya. Paslant pa talaga.
okay.
Okay, pupunuin natin yung kettle. Okay?
Light po.
Yeah, just something like that. Lightly lang pagka-shading. Okay?
Ah,
Pero, pupunuin natin siya lahat. Okay?
okay.
So, pero, lightly lang ha. Hindi with, dapat yung side ng pencil, hindi yung tip lang. The side of the pencil should be touching the paper.
Yes.
My cat is only a small one, so I will have to shade a bit.
Teacher, can we erase the excess parts, mamaya?
Yes, we will erase the excess parts mamaya. Just follow teacher's instructions, okay? Okay, follow lang muna kay teacher for now. Okay, yung mga kita nyo kay teacher nga, lagpas-lagpas eh. But that's okay because we have our eraser. So, our erasers, they are made for our mistakes. But the sad part is, nauubos sila dahil sa mga mistakes natin.
Teacher, ito, hindi sa pencil, not like yung pencil na uubos agad.
Okay, ang dami lagpas-lagpas ni teacher, but that's okay kasi very light lang naman yan pagka-color. Okay? Yes, ate?
I was actually done drawing the kettle when you were trying to put on the camera.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, now did you follow teacher along the shading?
I think so. Can you please check?
Okay, can I take a look at it? Okay, very good. Okay, so after that, erase natin yung mga excess na parts.
Wait lang daw.
And then, if you have a smudging tool, you can use your smudging tool or your fingers.
For
And
the...
we're gonna smudge our kettle.
Oh! Wait.
To smoothen out our shading, of course.
Okay, I'm gonna go and erase the excess.
Okay, and then meron na naman yung maglalagpas-lagpas, but that's okay. We can erase that again.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I should have used cotton. I forgot I had the cotton.
One smudging. And then spread the smudge out.
Okay, after you're done smudging, you erase the excess parts.
Okay.
Okay, the excess parts from smudging.
Teacher, like this?
Yes, just like that, kuya. Very good.
Can
But
you-
smudge it, okay? Smudge the whole kettle para maging smooth yung kanyang shading, okay?
Teacher, this is why you're not supposed to use your finger.
Yes, Ate Tali.
And should I smudge this shadow or should I not smudge the shadow?
You smudge the shadow just like that's what teacher did.
I did it.
Okay, very good. After that, so di ba meron siyang linya dito? Ngayon, e-erase natin dito yung line niya. Okay, we'll now erase our line here.
Teacher, is it okay na iba-iba kasi I think I have a round one.
Yeah, it's okay, but the linya should be parang it should be straight,
Diagonal.
okay?
A little
It
bit
should be straight.
Teacher,
Something
like this?
Yes, just like that, Kuya. Very good.
Okay, now I need to taas.
Okay, one din dito sa parang may Christmas lights. And, okay, dalawang linya yung gagawin natin, okay?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna make 2 lines.
Lahat.
2 lines.
Yeah, 2 lines of reflection.
Bilis lang na. Hindi pa kamakain ka tayo.
Okay.
Okay, and dito din sa handle niya. Sa handle, there's also a reflection.
I think I covered up the whole handle.
It's okay, you can just erase it. Okay, and also on the very corner of the kettle, there's also a reflection.
My kettle's very small.
Like this, chair. This looks like good.
Let me see. Yes, Kuya Zach, very good.
Set
And also, dito din sa baba ng nozzle ng kettle.
Yes, I did it.
Okay, very good. Okay, after that, so lagyan natin ulit ng outline ang ating kettle.
Yes.
Is this one?
So we go back with the outline.
This one.
Teacher, I can.
What is it, ate?
Earlier, I can't see your camera.
How about now?
I can see it now.
Okay, very good.
Ang pang shade. Oh, see? It's better. Oh. See? This one is for outline, the H, the hard. That one, B, is for shading. Better na?
I did it, teacher.
Okay, very good, Kuya. What about the cast shadow? Are you done with the cast shadow?
Yes, a little bit, but this is what it was.
Okay, so let's add a bit of a cast shadow here sa baba, okay? So after you're done with the shading and the reflection, we will be adding some. Parang hindi pa masyadong smooth dito kay teacher. So, gagamitan na ni teacher ng pangmalakasang kamay na smudging.
Teacher, I'm using a cotton.
Okay, very good. That's also nice. Okay, so for dito sa baba, so, sa baba yung pinaka dark part ng ating kettle, okay? Because the cast shadow,
It's
so
covering.
topic din ito sa topic din ito sa fundamentals. So the dark shadow should be the black one, okay?
Yes. I did it.
Done.
Me too.
Okay, very good. How about the others?
Ooh, look at the kettle. Done, teacher.
Okay, wow, very good.
Me po.
Very good.
Excuse me po.
Yes, Ate Tali?
Should I do the whole shadow black or black to white?
Dito lang. It's color black dito sa baba.
Teacher,
Okay,
Yes, Kuya?
Can I add light strokes?
Yes, you can. What kind of strokes?
Like a little bit na like ganyan.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, very good, everybody. Okay, wait lang natin si Ate Dharma. Nagsusmudge pa daw si Ate Dharma. Okay. 2 minutes.
2
2
minutes.
more minutes. Yes.
2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Have a background.
Okay, Ate Ariel, can I take a look at your kettle? Wow, very good. Okay, 1 more minute.
Teacher, I blurred my background.
It's okay, it's okay. Yes, Ate Ariel?
Can I add the background in here?
Okay, so mag-take a picture na muna tayo, okay? So a little bit of cast shadow is already great, okay? Okay, everybody?
Excuse me po.
Yes, Ate?
Please check if I'm done.
Let me see. Yes, Ate, very good. Did you smudge them? Ate Tali?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, kindly show your artworks and teacher is gonna take a picture now. Okay, wow! Si Ate Zaya, 2 kettle ginawa niya. Okay, Ate Arza, where's your kettle? Okay, 1, 1, 2, 3. Ate Tali, show your kettle, Ate Tali. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay, very good. Very good, everybody. Okay, so the next one, we're gonna make a glass na naman. Yung gagawin na naman natin is yung glass. Okay, do you want to make the glass now? Or which one? Wait lang, ipashow muna ni teacher. Okay. Which one would you like to draw? The glass one or this one?
Glass.
Glass.
Okay,
Glass.
okay, very good.
Glass.
Okay, so let's make the glass.
Yes, that looks so easy.
Okay, that looks so easy. Are you sure? Okay, so now,
Teacher, can I draw it on the separate page? Kasi this is kasi
yes, you can draw it in a separate page.
I'll draw it here. Wait.
Okay, so let's now draw another one, okay?
Yes. Teacher, I can't see the. Oh, wait.
Okay, what about now?
I'm gonna go to the meeting. Teacher, yung naka-mute or yung nagsasalita?
Yung naka-mute.
Okay. Okay, I see it.
Okay, very good. Okay, so for our class, we will first start with this shape.
Like it's like the luxury
It's like-
glass.
Yeah. Okay?
It's like an upside down arc.
Yeah, it's like an upside down arc.
Wait, I'm
Okay? So, as you can see, sketch pa yan ka teacher, ha? So, yung pagka-sketch ni teacher, very lightweight lang. Okay? Very lightweight. And we're also gonna add 2 lines. Okay?
as the
2
stem.
lines and a triangle. Okay?
I feel like I want to use a ruler for the lines.
Okay, you want to use a ruler. But if you have your ruler beside you, you can use it as well. So, as you can see, triangle pa lang yung ginawa ni teacher kasi nasa sketch pa lang tayo na part.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Okay, Kuya Zach, huwag mo munang ilagyan ng super pressure, okay? Parang very light lang, okay? Paawa, tingnan mo kay teacher, parang very light lang yung pagka-stroke ni teacher. Okay? Para madali lang siyang ma-erase. Okay, so let's...
Teacher, as in like ganito pa?
Yes, Kuya. Just like that. Ganyan muna tayo pag mag-sketch, okay? Kasi hindi pa siya final na line.
Okay, let's erase it out.
Yes, we're gonna erase that because they are just guidelines.
Scrape it off. We use a darker one.
Okay, so let's now have our... Okay, let's now shape our glass. Okay, so even if this is the final one, still, we're gonna be careful and just lightly trace our guidelines. Okay? Okay, Ate Zaya, don't make the strokes too dark muna, okay? You follow along teacher muna, okay?
Teacher, for
Okay,
the
very
glass
good.
top, ganito po.
Yes, Kuya. Okay, and then we're gonna continue it up to the bottom.
Oh, that's what I expect. Okay, we're here. Erase some of those. And a little bit more wide.
So, dapat dito sa itaas is very light lang ha. Because as you can see, light lang din yung parang, kumbaga na dito na part sa right, andito yung ating light. Okay? Source of light natin. So, dapat hindi siya masyadong dark dito na side. So, we're gonna use a bit of an eraser here.
Yes. Yes, I did it.
Okay, and then for the glass, so lalagyan natin ng parang manipis na another curved line inside.
Oh.
Yes. Okay, and then dito sa gitna, we have a para siyang Circle.
Circle stem. And then more lines. Oh,
Yeah, and then we're gonna add a shading.
ayun dyan si color expression. Teacher, I think my friend is here.
What?
I think my friend is here.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. You can, will you go to your friend sa baba or andyan siya?
I'm not sure, pero I think andyan siya.
Okay, and then, for this one sa glass, kasi hindi siya masyadong dark, gagamit lang tayo ng fingers to smudge, okay? As you can see, hindi siya masyadong kita. Pero merong may shading pa din yan ng very, very light black.
Teacher, like this, I think I middle.
Okay, I think you put too much shading on the top. Okay, we're not gonna put a lot of shading on the top, just a little bit.
Wait, where is my other pure?
Okay, and then we're also gonna use our eraser for our reflection.
Excuse me po.
Yes, ate?
I just finished drawing.
Wow, you're even faster than teacher.
I'm still doing on the light part.
Okay. Okay, so dito sa side sa left is darker, ha? It's not the same with the right one. This one should be darker. Okay, and then dito sa baba, lalagyan natin ng konting mga shadows.
Excuse me po.
Yes, ate?
Can you rewind? Because I couldn't actually do the whole thing.
Rewind what, ate?
Rewind what you did.
Sa asa na part? So, teacher still in here. Sa baba, nag-add lang ng shading.
Okay.
Add lang tayo ng kaunting shading sa baba.
Okay po, but I think you draw a cage then smudge it.
What?
I think you drew a cage on the glass, then smudge it.
Okay, dito yun kanina.
Tama, yung ganyan.
Okay po.
Okay, very good.
Teacher, is it like this? But I think I'm gonna make it a little bit lighter.
Yeah, dito sa diba, sa top sabi ni teacher, diba sabi ni teacher, just use your hand to smudge and don't put a lot of shading because the glass is a see-through. Okay? Hindi siya masyadong maraming shading.
Adding a little bit light. I'll make it a little bit dark here.
Okay. Medyo tabingi tingnan yung yung glass ni teacher kasi yung cellphone sa tripod is naka-angle din. Hindi ma-straight kasi ni teacher. Hindi siya nasi-straight.
Teacher, does this work or a little bit pa?
Lighter pa, kuya.
Okay. on the other side. Teacher, it's working if I tap the eraser on the drawing.
Yeah, okay. You're making them become lighter.
Wait. Maybe this one. Now, ang tap it ulit. Okay. Teacher, is it like this? But I'm gonna make it. I think I forgot to erase this part a little bit.
Okay, okay. Yes, Ate Ariel, can I see your drawing? Wow, very good.
I cannot get the curve right. So I have to do
What?
Karina, I cannot get the curve right. So I try.
The reflected lights, you just erase it a bit in here, okay?
Okay, teacher, is it like this now?
Okay na ka, kuya. Pero much better if mapalighter mo pa lang talaga. One shade lighter na lang talaga. Yes, Ate Ariel?
Can I add a background?
Yes, you can. Okay, is everybody done with the glass?
Okay, I think I'm done now. I just erased some parts.
What about the others?
Teacher, I didn't have that much time, so I just did this.
Okay, so Ate Sal and Kuya Louie Boy is not yet done daw. Okay, we'll wait for them, okay?
Teacher, this is all what I can cook kasi I did not have that much time because I had to keep erasing and put things like
It's okay, Kuya. You can erase it more kasi hindi pa natapos yung other classmates mo, okay?
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay, very good. What about Ate Sal? Ate Tali, Ate Dharma, can I take a look at your drawings? Okay, wow, very good, Ate Dharma. Very good, Ate Tali. What about Ate Sal? Can I take a look at it? Okay, very good. Okay, sa baba na lang ang kulang na, shading. Okay, that's already fine. Okay, let's now take a picture. Okay, everybody show your drawings. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, wow, very good. You look so happy in your drawings. Very good. Okay, so for the last one, we have, this one, but parang hindi na natin yan matatapos kasi malapit na matapos yung time. Okay, teacher's just gonna make this your assignment, okay? Okay, so for your assignment, you will be making this cloth. Ano ang sabi ni teacher kanina? Anong shading technique gagamitin natin dito?
Cross-hatching.
Very good. We will be using cross-hatching. Okay, so for your assignment, you will be making this cloth, texture, and also
All of that.
your own artwork here. Yes, kuya. The bricks, the metal, the marble. Okay, pero assignment pa yan. You have 1 week to finish it. Okay? Okay, so did you like the textures that we've practiced today?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
little.
so recap natin yung mga shading techniques na sa fundamentals pa. What's the first one?
Hatching.
Hatching, very good. What's the second one, Ate Ariel?
Cross-hatching.
Okay, cross-hatching. What's the third one, Ate Sal?
Stippling.
Stippling, very good. Okay. Ate Dharma, what's the fourth one? Ate Dharma?
I know the fourth one.
Blending.
Okay, blending. Okay, nag-ano-ano ka pa. Di ba pinawrite yun ni teacher kanina? Di mo ba ni-write?
I wrote it.
Okay, very good. Yes, Ate Ariel?
We're gonna send the assignment to the group chat.
Yes, teacher's gonna send the assignment to the group chat. Okay, so that's all for today, everyone. See you next week. Bye-bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
For your assignment.